Hey guys, we received this 100 as jewelry, gunmetal gray tungsten ring for men. So this is a blue groove line, wedding band, or the promise engagement size. So you can choose the size from 6 to 16. Here it is a 6.5 size. So comes in a really nice gift box, as you can see. So very nice material ring in here. So really nice quality, smooth corners, and the feel from the sides as well. So very nice curves, round material without hurting anything or use, and then to put in as well. So the smooth corner size, very nice design with this ring, and then also this is a tungsten carbide, so very smooth material, strong material. With the blue groove line, it looks really nice. So with a nice gift box.